So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are facing this Snapchat chat loading problem where chats keep loading, messages don't appear or conversations won't open, then this video will help you to fix it. So firstly, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Now, open the settings app, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, tap on see all apps and search for Snapchat. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. After this, go back to the home page. Open Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Snapchat and update it if not. And after this, go back to the home page and you can also restart your mobile phone.